Sweetie, time to eat.
I am coming, Mom.
Don't forget to wash your hands.
But my hands are looking clean.
Maybe they are looking clean, but there are germs on it which you are not able to see.
Why am I not able to see them then?
You first go and wash your hands.
I have washed my hands.
Good. Now let us learn about microorganisms. Microorganisms or microbes are the organisms that are not visible by naked eye. To see them we need an instrument known as microscope. Microorganisms or microbes are classified into 5 groups. These are bacteria, fungi, virus, protozoa and algae. We will be learning about them one by one. The first one being bacteria. These were first known living organisms on Earth. They have a simple structure and are made up of single cell, therefore they are unicellular. The bacteria are found everywhere, from hot springs to cold deserts, capable of surviving in extreme temperatures. They are found inside water droplet, in our body, even in our mouth. And on TV remotes too.
That means they were on my hands too, and I was not able to see them.
Yes. I think you have understood now. The cells of bacteria are different from those of plants and animals, one of which is that it lacks nucleus. What is nucleus? Let us find out. Nucleus is just like our brain, it is the control center of the cell, which controls all the activities and functions of the cell. It also has DNA which carries instructions for the body and passes them to the next generation. Since nucleus is absent in bacteria, instead nucleoid is present. Another difference is nucleus has an outer covering known as membrane which nucleoid lacks.
Mom, does a bacteria get hungry? And how does it get its food?
Yes, of course it gets hungry. Let me tell you how it gets food. Bacteria has 2 modes of nutrition. It can be autotrophic, which means it can prepare its own food like plants, or it can be heterotrophic, which means it is dependent on other organisms for food. Bacteria live in colonies. They reproduce by budding or fission. During fission, one cell splits into 2 daughter cells.
I am wondering, how does it move?
They don't have legs, but yes, they do move. Let us see how. It has a tail-like structure or a whip-like appendage which can vary from 1 to many in number, and it helps the bacteria to move. The bacteria can be classified into following types on the basis of their shape. These are coccus, which are spherical in shape. Next is bacillus, which is rod-shaped. Next one is spirillum, which is helical or spiral-shaped, and last one is vibrio, which is comma-shaped.
Mom, are all the bacteria harmful to us?
No. Some are useful too. Let us find how. Some bacteria are good as they are useful, and some are bad as they are harmful. Let us learn about them one by one. Some bacteria are helpful. They are used to make food products, help in farming, and are used in medicine to make antibiotics. The bacteria Lactobacillus is used in making curd. Lactococcus and Streptococcus are used in making cheese and for adding flavor to them. Some bacteria like Rhizobium help in fixing nitrogen from atmosphere for the plant, as the plants cannot use the nitrogen directly from atmosphere. Some antibiotics like streptomycin and tetracycline are prepared from bacteria that help in fighting infections in our body. Now let us learn how bacteria are harmful. It causes diseases in plants, animals and humans. In human, bacteria cause diseases like typhoid, tuberculosis and many more. Some bacteria like Clostridium botulinum cause food poisoning. Some of them even spoil the food.
Now I understood why were you telling me to wash my hands.
Yes, my dear. Smart kids always wash their hands before eating.